I just finished up the vlog and want to do a little chat with you guys. I realized that I didn't talk as much during these video clips, or I was busy, my Oscar party. I was having such a good time. I really didn't take any content of it. I actually just took a photo at the end of the party. I actually forgot my phone, which was actually kind of nice because I was more present with my friends. But yeah, so I thought I'd just come in and do like a wrap up here with you. But yeah, so that's how my week started. Just in nature, walking at the beach, getting in my steps. Amazing restaurant in my neighborhood, which I had been dying to go to with one of my friends, and a really great Indonesian restaurant, and I was so impressed with it, called Simpang Asia. That's in Venice, and I just loved it. Definitely going to be my go-to takeout Asian food, as well as going in, because the restaurant itself was absolutely beautiful. So I can see that place being a regular for me. We went to my friend Mark's Oscar party. I met Mark through my friend Sheila and went there and got all dressed up, had some wonderful appetizers and wine, and we did like a really fun, guessing games for who was gonna win the Oscars, and a wonderful dinner. It was just really a good time. I really enjoyed it. I mean, I guess that's it. It has been a pretty quiet week. I literally spent the weekend in bed. This is something I want to share with you because it's really important to me and why I do so much work with women and their hormonal health. Ever since I can remember, because I have fibroids and it's really heavy for me. I've gone through the years finding just remedies to help me get through a couple days, just a couple days, which has been very difficult for me. So yesterday I spent the day in bed, and that's what we used to do as, back in the day, all women would gather in the cave together, and that would be their time to take care of themselves, rejuvenate themselves, and that's basically what I did. And so I wanted to share with you. I always love sharing my Juice Plus vegan omegas. This is what gets me through my hormones, balancing my hormones, helping with my period. I'm telling you, for ladies who are dealing with just your period, fibroids, PCOS, these vegan omegas have changed my life, okay? They've changed my life. The reason why is because these are plant-based and they're just as strong as like Motrin. So this reduces inflammation in the body naturally, which is great when you have all of those hormonal issues. You want to reduce inflammation in your body. This weekend wasn't actually that bad for me, I have to say. It was a lot better than last month. I think it's because of my workouts recently. That could be part of it. It's hard to tell because every month is different for me. But I double up on these. You guys, I'm telling you, women don't understand how valuable taking omegas are every day. That's my #1 product I recommend. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you too. Yeah, just wanted to share that with you too. And so this week, I'm just getting ready to, I've been shooting content, honestly, like last week, this week, I'm shooting content, but I'm gonna be heading out of town to San Diego on Thursday for my wellness business retreat that I'll share with you throughout the week as well. I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, I hope that you're having an amazing week. I hope that you enjoy the vlog.